Hey there, what's up? This is Paul Murphy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without any paid ads. I'm going to show you like 4 or 5 quick, simple steps that you can implement today where you don't have to spend a single penny, and you can actually see as well. I'm inside my ad account. You can see this is my Google ad account. I haven't run any money in the last, any ads in the last 6 months. If I set it to all time, when we do run ads, we actually have a little trick where we get them dirt cheap. But we haven't run them because we haven't needed to with this. This is my Facebook ad account. You can see here in the last 10 years, 10 and a half years actually, we haven't run a single ad. These are all my ad accounts, right? So, and I don't run ads anywhere else. We just do it with this, right? And we generated last year $2.5 million. I don't like saying this, but it's true. And you know, this stuff's real. We basically get free ads by putting our listings at the top of Google and YouTube, right? And in the first 24 hours, you get the listings and they drop. Then I'm going to show you what we do to keep them there. So it's like getting free ads forever, evergreen ads at the top of Google and YouTube, right? So these are the ones, like this is one of the ones I put up the other day, right? And they've now dropped. And then what we do is we push them back up. I'll show you how we do that, right? And then what happens is that they appear at the top of Google like these ones, right? This one here, we got in the leaderboards. We generated $867,000. These ones here, we got in the leaderboards and made all this money, right? $350,000, 52,000 commissions, but 137,000 in net sales. This one here, $859,000. This one here, we got $64,000, right? And the list goes on and on and on. We don't run any paid ads for this. We basically just do this. So what we do is instead of going viral on YouTube and all that sort of stuff, we're going to place our listings based on what people are searching for at the top of Google and YouTube, right? And I've got a course that shows you exactly how to do this. You basically will put a video up. You can do this for affiliate launches. You can do it for any product that's already launched and is evergreen. And you put these videos up, right? And you put them at the top of Google. You can see here, these are right at the top, right? And we have this thing called an upload checklist, and you basically just put in, basically give Google what it wants, right? And then it puts it at the top here, right? This one here for ClickFunnels, we did $125,000 in 10 days of when they launched with this, right? And also this $12,000 bonuses, people shop around for bonuses. So if you put something at the top of Google and you give away the best bonuses, people buy from you. Right, so I'm going to obviously show you how you can get access to these bonuses as well for free, because I want you to win, obviously succeed with this. So it's a case of like people on YouTube are going to, first of all, put the search term in. They're going to look at the bonuses. And if you're at the top, they're going to click your video, right? And that's how we got in the leaderboard here. In the launch, amongst all these big, massive marketers, little old me came 7th, right? Pretty cool, right? So the first trick is that when you put a video up, you want to make sure that you're putting a link, a clickable link in the description above the fold. So you know where it says show more here, you want to make sure that this is clickable, right? So the HTTPS, and that will go to your product, right? Also, you want a clickable link here in the comments, and you want to pin it to the top, right? And these two places make YouTube like a funnel, right? And by doing this, what happens is that when anybody comes to your video, they might be on a mobile, tablet, laptop or desktop, right? It's different on YouTube on different devices. So if you have both of these bases covered, then they can click your video and then you can start making money, right? So that's the first thing I wanted to show you, right? This one here, this is another one I did for Secrets to Success. This one here, you can see Russell Brunson's Secrets to Success. I came 7th on the leaderboard, got invited to a private mastermind with only 14 people in the room where you'd have to pay $50,000. Russell Brunson, this is Sharon Lecter, some of you might have heard of her. This is Napoleon Hill wrote Think and Grow Rich on this typewriter, and I actually touched it. And I got to present in front of some of the biggest marketers in the world, right, with the spongy cube. You might have seen that in some of the videos, right? So the first thing you want to do to rank your videos at the top of Google to make money without ads, right? We want to get these videos to the top of Google and YouTube. And it's really simple, but it's really effective. The way you do this is by offering somebody something on the front end of high value. Now, I do this by giving you a free course. Now, this is my free course, and you can get this, the link's in the show notes, right? But I'm showing you this as an example as well, and you can go grab it. And I'm giving you my $12,000 bonuses. And in that free course, you want to give somebody something of value. So I guarantee, it's free anyway, right? It costs you nothing, but I guarantee that you'll get your first listing in 24 hours, right? Because I want to put my money where my mouth is and show you what's possible. So by doing that, obviously, if you show somebody something that they can grab that's of high perceived value, because people sell this sort of stuff that I've got inside of here, I could sell for $1,000, right? People do it all day, every day, right? But I give it away free because I want to build a relationship with you. Why? Well, you can get everything for free on YouTube anyway, right? People are not going to invest with you just because of training anymore. Everything's available for free. People are going to invest with you for other things. For instance, when you come through here and you start building out your magic funnel, the one I'm actually talking about now, when you actually come in here and you just basically put it all together and you start getting results, you might want me to help you. A very small percentage of people will want me to help them, and then they can basically join our mastermind, right? And we will help people. And that's how this works. This is how you make money, right? I give everything away for free, but we then help people that want to work with us, right? So it's very ethical. There's no sleazy sales or anything like that. And we give away a free course. Now, you can give away anything you want. And in fact, you can give away my free course. So you don't have to even think about anything. You can just go and give this away. And then what you can do is you're going to serve people over 10 days. Now, this is how you get free traffic, right? So these 10 days, we're going to put 10 videos that we've created on our YouTube channel inside these pages, and every time somebody watches them away from YouTube, YouTube recognizes that and pushes them up the search engines. And it's like if you go and put Harry and Meghan into Google on the day they have a baby, right? You see all the news sites, right? Why does that happen? Well, Google spiders, Google's network knows that these news sites are getting watched, so they must be relevant. So we have to put them at the top of Google, right? And so it works exactly the same way. Basically, every time traffic comes in, Google says, well, people are watching all these videos, so it pushes them up, right? So these then go up, and then they go up a little bit further. Then this one goes up, this one goes up, this one goes up, right? Now what happens is there's more traffic coming in, right? You're now getting more because you're getting more exposure. It's going slightly higher up the search engine. More traffic comes in, goes up again, more traffic comes in. What happens is that all these videos get self-policed and pushed up to the top of the search engine, and it's self-policed because all this traffic is keeping them there. They're basically pushing them up every single day. This is free ads. This is the only way you get a set and forget system, and you can build this, right? It's the best marketing system on the planet. You cannot get it anywhere else. It is incredible, right? So you get this, and you obviously build an email list, and you do all sorts of other funky things, right? Let me show you this, right? It keeps videos on page one for years because it self-polices. You also get a highly valuable email list because you're building a relationship. You're getting know, like, and trust. It sells products ethically on autopilot without ads. There's no ads involved here, right? Because at the end of the day, this is all free organic traffic, and it's targeted. It's the traffic that they want, right? Your videos, what happens is all these videos start showing up next to all the other ones, and they're all different search terms. Someone's putting in how to build a highly engaged email list here, how to make money on YouTube without subscribers, how to make money on YouTube without ads. They're my last three videos, right? And then what will happen is that once this funnel is in place, all these videos show up together for each different search term because Google recognizes that the same people are watching them. So they think they're relevant. They think, well, people are watching them, so they need to see them. Now you start getting this omnipresence, you get this ultimate authority, you start to stand out, people want to work with you, you start to kind of become mega. It's because you're opening a store in Oxford Street or in Times Square, right? And you're having no rent. And suddenly you're getting tons of customers. Everybody around you is like, what on earth's going on? This is what happens, right? It becomes a free retargeting campaign, so no more paying any ads on those types of things, right? You get mega conversions, especially with the $12,000 bonuses I'm going to give you. You get those as well. And you don't get any refunds requests hardly at all because people then choose to work with you, choose to buy. Basically, after about 3 or 4 videos, when you've built know, like, and trust and people are starting to get results with what you're showing them, then a percentage of them want to work with you, right? Because everybody else is putting everything behind a paywall, but we're serving, we're helping, and people are going, oh, okay, I get it. I want to work with this person, right? So it's not like 100%, 5% of these people will want to work with you. 95% are going to become Raven fans and work with you later anyway, right? So you have this engaged email list, right? One of the videos, if you want to go and check it out on my YouTube channel, I show you the open rates we get. We get over 50% open rates, generally speaking, and 20% click-through rates because of this, right? So, and because of this, people want to work with you. They choose to work with you. They're making the decision to work with you rather than being tricked from an ad or some sort of scammy marketing, and they hardly ever refund. Right? In fact, the only refunds we generally get are ones where people accidentally press the buy button twice or something like that, right? That's it, right? Now, if you want me to show you how to build this, just go over to here and then basically get your first listing. It will take you a couple of hours. Then you basically choose your success path here, right? So if you're a coach or if you're affiliate, if you want to do a membership funnel, physical products, local business, choose the one here and then I'll show you step by step how to build it out. Okay, and then like I say, my ethical bribe is there's nothing to sell here. I'll even put my videos in here that I'm putting up on here. And then if you ever want to work with us, you can. If not, you can just go it alone and you'll be able to do it all. And also, as a bonus for this video, you're going to get those $12,000 bonuses. So in the next video, I want to show you how to make money on YouTube without any subscribers. Go check it out on this video here.